All right, so we left this overnight and it's looking pretty good. We're almost fully charged. I mean, it actually was fully charged, but I used it a little bit here this morning. But when these are all filled up, you're ready to go. You can see it's plugged in here, it's plugged down in here. And if I just pop this out, we can go ahead and use it. You know what I mean? Jelly beans, just set it over there. I probably will pull this out of here, right? Like that. We don't need that in there because you don't want to keep it, you know, just basically burning energy. But then once you've done that, you're going to see this just goes dark. But it's ready to go, and we can go ahead and I think we can use it for about an hour. You know, it gives you about an hour's worth of time on this. And you've got two settings. First, if you want to go to Turbo Blast, it won't start if you press that. You got to press this first and then that, and then you can get the Super Blast on. I'm going to show you. And it's pretty cool because you can get these nice turns in it. See how the head turns like that? Let me go and turn it off. So when you're doing it, you know, I've got it turned off right now, but you can see how it gives you the ability to do pretty good angles with it, right? And I'm barely turning it, so that works pretty good. And then it just stands up like that, all right? And so I want to show you how you go ahead and charge it here. So what we need to do is take our charger, and we're just going to push it right in to this 110. Get it in there, and you can see I've got electricity coming into this. And then I have to find the end of my charging thing. And we're just going to put it right in there, just like that. I mean, it doesn't want to go. Right in here. Here we go. Bam. Now if I come on the other side, you're going to see it's almost fully charged. I did use it, you know. So here it is. We're plugged in here. I come on the other side, and you can see it's almost fully charged. So it's ready to go pretty much for about an hour. All right, so we've had her out here for a while. We've got her plugged in, as you can see, right? You gotta plug it into 110, then you plug it in here, and that's a transformer, turns it, I think, to 12 volt. And if you look over here, these are all out. That means this thing is ready to rock. So I think we could go ahead and unplug her and take her out for a spin and see how she works. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So I just gotta pop it, press it, and we're cleaning up the place. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.